Hello and welcome to the CashTokens news for February 2024. And even though it's the shortest month of the year, there is a lot of news that happened over the past month between the BCH Guru project, the Cauldron swap, Cashonize, and the Reapers. So let's get started right away with the news about the Cauldron DEX. And this is a video I have pulled up from Halvor, the Archmage at Cauldron Swap. And let's take a look. So this is the Cauldron DEX running on the desktop. So that right there is Dagger, one of the developers, using WalletConnect on his mobile phone to connect his wallet, so his mobile app, to the Cauldron application running on desktop. So it's clear that here it was still in a developer preview, but shortly after they announced WalletConnect support is live with this funny image on February 24th. And I replied, the WalletConnect ecosystem on BCH keeps expanding. Get yourself a Cashonize, Zapit, or PEPI wallet and join the fun. Not only is this more convenient, you can preview the transaction before signing, so it's more secure than using a built-in web wallet. And if you go to dangerzone.cauldron.quest, where the new features are previewed, so it's kind of like where the beta version lives, then you will see that you can still use the Cauldron built-in web wallet like before, but now you also have the option to use a WalletConnect with an external wallet like Cashonize, Zapit, or PEPI. And it's great that we are converging on this WalletConnect standard. This way you can use one of multiple wallets, and you can use this to connect to both TapSwap, Cauldron, the CashToken Studio, the Cash Ninjas Mint, and more applications. So it really improves the experience both for users and developers. And as I said, it's not only more convenient, but also more secure. And we'll come back to this a little later in this CashTokens news episode. Then next up, the next item to talk about is the BCH Guru project. And they announced that here, BCH Guru project just upgraded with a whole new DeFi dashboard for users. The future of on-chain peer-to-peer crypto price predictions is here. So if you take a look at the screenshots, so those were previews, it says here my game stats and then a bunch of colorful stats about the winning percentage and the amount of furu staked. And here a Guru score about your completed games. So you can see how good of a furu or guru you are, so how good you are at actually predicting future prices. And here you can see the individual Guru score for each of your predictions. So you just have access to a lot of statistics. For example, if you played as player 1 or player 2, which assets you played on, the furu stake over time, and even a bunch more about your past predictions and your future predictions with all the different categories. So great to see the existing projects expanding and adding features. I know this one was one of the features that was often requested by people. So I'm glad to see this, and I have to check my own Guru score now. Then next up in the news is Cashonize. So Cashonize is now available for desktop. It says Cashonize desktop version 0.0.2 is now available for installation on GitHub. This release adds WalletConnect support to the desktop wallet. Next stop is adding CashConnect. So here you can click the link to GitHub and you will see version 0.0.2. And if you scroll down, it says Windows and Linux for the moment. You can see for Windows the .exe file and for Linux the app image. And as you can see, the codebase is currently at Cashonize Quasar. This is because this is an ongoing rewrite, so the feature set differs a bit from the current web wallet. And let's take a good look at this preview. So here it was a preview of WalletConnect on Cashonize desktop with a totally revamped transaction preview screen. So this is what it looks like. You can see here that Cashonize is running on my Windows laptop as a native application. And here, when you want to mint a Cash Ninja, it will give you this signed transaction preview. And you can see here, mint a Cash Ninja NFT with different inputs and outputs of the transaction. And then also, which is more handy to understand for the normal user, is the balance change. So here it says the balance changes with 0.05 BCH, so roughly $13 that leaves your wallet. But in the same transaction, you also get a Cash Ninja NFT. So you clearly see what is happening when you sign this Cash Ninja NFT mint. So this is what it looks like. And as it says, this work is part of the full codebase rewrite. The changes will come to the web wallet once the rewrite is fully completed, 100%. So that's what I've been working on with Cashonize. And so once CashConnect lands, it will be feature complete. So most of these differences will be worked out. So it doesn't support CashConnect yet. And then there's still only 2 minor items to resolve to be fully feature complete. And then the rewrite is 100% done. And the web wallet can be upgraded to add the new nice features also to the web application. Then next up in the news is about NFTs. The PEPI NFT mint is live. And this went live February 10th. And as you can see, it used the Cash Ninja tooling to launch their NFT mint. Mint yourself now at pepi.cash, so we'll take a look. And up to now, 240 have been minted. So if you think this looks interesting or you want to take a look for yourself, you can find the website at pepi.cash. So I think it's just a great sign to see people using the open source tooling built for cash tokens and see them experiment with different projects. So next up in the Cash Tokens news is news about another NFT project, namely the Reapers. And I helped with this, so I said bridged all my recently acquired Reapers on SmartBCH over to Cash Tokens. You can bridge your Reapers now at reapers.cash/bridge. So the Reapers were stuck on SmartBCH after the PEG, so the bridge between SmartBCH and Bitcoin Cash fell apart. So the community wanted to leave Smart Bitcoin Cash, and now they can bridge their Reapers over from SmartBCH to Cash Tokens. So they just need to take a look at this website, so the bridge, and here they need to connect their MetaMask, and then they can. So how it works on a technical level is you burn your Reapers on SmartBCH, you send it to a burn address, and then when you prove you were the one to burn your Reapers, you have the authority to remint them on Cash Tokens. So this way, there is only 10,000 Reapers in total, but the sum is both on the SmartBCH side as well as on Cash Tokens. So I think currently a little over 700 Reapers have been bridged already in a week or so, and I expect more Reapers to move over in the coming weeks as well. So this is the website. Welcome to the Reapers, the classic SBCH collection now on Cash Tokens. So if you want to read some of the history about how the collection sold out in 3 hours, you can take a look at the website. So it's at reapers.cash. And then another thing to cover in the Cash Tokens news is the upcoming conference, BCH Bliss. So BCH Bliss does a daily countdown. So currently it's still 77 days or only 11 weeks until BCH Bliss. So this countdown always makes me look forward to it a lot. Now is a great time to get a Jessica, book your flights, and be ahead of the game for the coolest BCH event this summer. So it's 14th and 15th May in Ljubljana, and you can find the website on www.bliss.cash, and the tickets are on sale on TopSwap. So that's also a really cool use case for NFTs, where you use this as tickets, and the image is kind of like something to remember, so to make it more fun for the people who bought their conference ticket, that their ticket is unique, and there's only 100 tickets in total. So I'm really excited to meet some of you at the conference in May. And then lastly, for the Cash Tokens news, is that there is weekly news by the Bitcoin Cash Foundation. So if you think monthly news is too long of a time span to wait on, you can do weekly reading. So for example, this was for February 26th. And here you can see it covers the Bitcoin Cash podcast. It covers the flip starter to add reusable addresses, it's called repayable addresses support to Fulcrum. So this is work by Kalin. Yeah, it's called reusable payment addresses. So indeed, that's what I remembered. So repayable addresses works as well. Then besides the podcast episode, there's also another conference. So in October of this year, so a bit further away, in Argentina. And then further in the news was, of course, the open source Reapers Bridge. And this was developed under the Cash Ninjas project. So any other Smart BCH projects can also use this code base to bridge over their NFTs from Smart BCH to CashTokens. So I'm really excited to have this open source because more projects will follow soon. Then a fifth of gaming now has referrals. So this is an interesting platform for online gaming tournaments. So people who use it will for sure be excited to try out this referral system. And then lastly, news about Paytaka. Paytaka wins the Innovation and Trailblazer Award for 2023. So here you see the Paytaka team under the leadership of Jomar. I think he's holding the award or the trophy. So very cool to see them up on stage, and congratulations to the Paytaka team for winning the award. So I think that's a good place to wrap up the CashTokens news for February, and I look forward to seeing you again in March. Bye bye.